Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a perfect Shopify product page for dropshipping, step by step in 2026. This is for beginners. If you just started dropshipping, don't know what to write on product pages, or get visitors but no sales, or feel your product pages look quote unquote empty, this guide will fix it. A good product page does only one job, or does one job only: make the visitor feel safe and confident to buy. So let's start from the top. Choose one clear product. Before anything, sell one main product per page. Don't confuse the visitor, right? A good product should be solving one problem, easy to understand in 5 seconds. Bad product pages try to sell everything. Good ones sell one thing clearly, right? That beats selling random stuff. Now, write a simple, strong product title. Your title should explain what the product is and who it's for, right? Here's an example. A bad title would be premium quality innovative device. A good title will be posture, right? Corrector, mind the capital, for back and shoulder pain, right? This is an example, right? Simple beats fancy. Add high quality product images, and of course the description, don't forget about that. In the media section, use 5 to 8 images, white background plus lifestyle images. Must include product close-up, product in use, before and after if allowed, size or dimensions. Here's a tip: if images are bad, nothing else matters. Okay, now add a short clear description, as we mentioned before. Now, once in the description, I should go back to that. You have to use 3 to 5 bullet points, very simple words. Example: relieves back and shoulder pain, easy to wear under clothes, adjustable for all body types, comfortable for daily use. No long paragraphs needed in this section. Now, add a price and create a value. That's a psychology here. Show original price, right? Like crossed out, okay? And sale price, okay? Now, for example, this product used to be charged $59.99. Now it's charged $29.99. People need a reason to buy now because they feel the rush, because you now just deducted or made a discount on this product. The illusion of it, at least. Now, optional, limited stock, today's deal, those kind of lining, right? Don't lie, just keep it realistic. Now, make the add to cart, make the add to cart button stand out. Your button should be big, right? Visible, be near the price. Use text like add to cart, buy now. Avoid too many buttons or too many colors. Simple equals trust. And now write a long description that answer questions, or they call FAQs, right? The FAQs basically means the most common questions, right, for people to ask about the product in general and the value of it, and anything around it. Basically, add a detailed description. Cover what problem it solves, how it works, who it's for, how to use it. You can use short paragraphs, bullet point, bold, important words. You can add that in the description here, right, where you can answer most common questions, right, regarding the product. Okay, and yeah, people scroll away when they're not, or when they are interested. Okay, so add a trust element. People don't trust easily. Add customer reviews, star ratings, secure checkout icons, money back guarantee, fast shipping message. Even fake looking stores fail, even with good ads. Okay. Now, add shipping and returns info clearly. right? Never hide this. Add shipping time, tracking availability, return policy. Example, shipping 5 to 10 business days, 30-day money back guarantee. Clarity reduces funds. And optimize for mobile, must do. In 2026, most buyers are on phones, so check text is readable, buttons are clickable, images load fast. If mobile looks bad, no sales. Okay? And remove distractions. Remove extra menus, pop-ups everywhere, or too many products shown. Focus on one page, one product, one goal, and test like a customer. Before running ads, open the page on your phone, scroll slowly, and ask yourself, would I buy this? Right? If the answer is maybe, fix it. Right? Maybe or no, fix it. Now, the common mistakes or the common beginner mistakes most people make: long, confusing titles, no reviews, bad images, hidden shipping info, overselling with fake hype. Trust beats hype. Now, a perfect Shopify product page in 2026 is simple, clear, honest, mobile friendly. You don't need fancy words, complex design, or 20 apps. You need clarity and trust. Okay? Now, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe, and comment what you want me to cover next. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.